Always take it. Always take it. My life has changed completely and for the better a million times over. God, I don't even know where I would be if we never met.
Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. Well, it's almost noon because I got out of bed late. I was gonna get out of bed at like 9 or 10, but I couldn't be bothered. I was just a bit tired from rearranging my room last night, and I was doing my timetable for next semester at 10 a.m. But to say that it is finally holidays for me. It is finally holidays for me. It started on Monday, but I had my interning days on Monday and Tuesday, so I didn't have time to do anything or film anything. But it's Wednesday, so I'm finally gonna go out by myself, get my parcel, maybe go to Carousel, get a drink, and buy some things that I need. So let's go. I just got my parcel. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys what it is when I get home, but I'm gonna go buy something first. I just parked at Carousel, and nails are disgusting. I am gonna get them done on Saturday, next Saturday. I have the brown one of the Peanuts reversible blanket collection, and I kind of want to buy another one. There's this beigey one, this white one, and this blue one. Kind of like this blue one the most. Should I get two? I wasn't gonna start drinking mine until I got home, but I'm so tired. My bag with all my stuff ripped. My paper bag, my Uniqlo paper bag that I was carrying, the plushie, the blanket and everything, broke because I didn't want to get an extra plastic bag from Daiso. So I was like, I can fit everything I bought in. I bought 2 drinks, so it was quite heavy. I should have foreseen this. And then as soon as I put it in the bag ripped, so I had to get a plastic bag anyway. And then because I couldn't fit the plushies in there, I still had to carry the broken paper bag like a football. So this is what broke. I'm so sad. I got a Charlie Brown plushie from Uniqlo, and I got this throw blanket as well. I'm gonna put this on the couch. It has writing on the back as well. I think it's pretty cute. Let's open it. It's getting a little bit dark in here. Couldn't really tell what the pattern was because it doesn't show on the packaging. What does it say? I need plenty of rest in case tomorrow is a great day. I've got this milk tea and this coffee. This is what ripped my Uniqlo bag because I tried to stuff this in the paper bag. And I also got some sleeping masks, and from what's its name, I got a refill for my shower oil, sorry, because the other one is done, and I've just been using this other body wash. I got a face cream, and they convinced me to get this because it was 40% off, even though I don't really need it, but I got it anyway. And they also gave me like a little bag. That's everything I got today. So Fairy Tale was kind enough to send us 5 of their tofu litter. So here's the box, and I think this is the cutest bit. It's addressed to Junie and Lemon because they don't know my name. They contacted me through Junie and Lemon's pet account. So we're gonna open it now. I'm really excited because I've been thinking about changing their litter because they're not using tofu litter right now. They're using some other clumping litter. Pretty sure I have scissors in here. I do not. Let me go get some scissors. I don't want to cut your whiskers. Pretty, come on. Here we have it. The original. This one is Ocean Fresh. Green tea. I just went to the orthodontist and I got my retainers, so the mold done, but I can't pick it up until later this afternoon because it needs time to dry. And I just stopped by Bunnings to get some batteries for the new film camera I got yesterday, and I want to put it in now so I know it's the right one. I'm pretty sure it's the right one anyway. Just to see if I can turn it on. Yes, okay. Oh, okay. Is it not supposed to come out? Oh, okay. I think I don't have any film in it. Maybe that's why. I still need to work out how to use this. Alright, so let's go home and then I'll come out a bit later when the orthodontist messaged me so that I can go pick up my new retainers. I'm home now. I'm going to try work this film camera out. Oops, I can just open it here. Oh well. Here's the film. I'm gonna have to look at some instructions on how to put it in. Like this. And then I think it's working now. I can zoom out and zoom back in. Hi boys. Okay, I'm not gonna waste my film. Turn it off. Okay. Getting my nails done. It's 7 AM and I'm so tired, but I need to get these done before I go to Melbourne. My nails are black because it's still tinted from the hair dye. I just got my nails done. It's really cute, like the colors are nice and it's exactly the colors that I asked for, which is good. But I'm just, I don't know, I'm not 100% happy with it, but I didn't tell her because I didn't want her to feel like I'm being picky. But like the hearts are off center and the hearts are like kind of wonky. Like it's nice. Yeah, so here are my nails and I have an hour before I need to go to my lash appointment. And I think I'm gonna go to Pet Circle to get some new litter and some food for the boys because I am taking them to my friend's house whilst I am in Melbourne. So yeah, let's go. It is so heavy. I got some of the advanced food and the feline natural variety box, and I also got a can cover because they never finished their food. I'm still trying out the tofu litter that Fairy Tale gave me, but they don't seem to be using it that much, and they I had one litter box left with this one and they kept going back to this one, so I just decided to get 2 more of this. Oh, so heavy. I'm gonna give the boys this one today, and I'm gonna go with chicken and lamb feast. Oh, hi sweetie. You want a little pat on the head? Do you miss me? Chicken and lamb, 1 each. Oh shoot. Actually, I'm gonna go with half for now in case I don't eat it and I don't waste. Unpack it because it's quite expensive. Come eat. No. He's so cute. Such a nice day out today, so I'm going to take the boys out for a walk. Are you excited? Are you? Are you excited? Okay, come on. Let's go. If you're not gonna cooperate, we'll just take Mama. Okay? And you don't want that. You complain. It's still tight. Here. You've grown a little bit too. There you go. Good afternoon, guys. It is Monday today, so I'm leaving tonight. And I just dropped Jason off at work because he was running late, and I'm getting 2 Earl Grey teas, one for me and one for my dad. And I ended up redoing my nails myself because I wasn't happy with the hearts being off center. I didn't want to spend another $50 to $100 to fix it somewhere else. And yeah, it's such a nice day today. I used to have so much trouble punching the straw in. Well, not when it was plastic straws, but now the straws are paper, so I always had trouble like punching it in. But I saw this video where you kind of like, hold on, hold your straw like this, and then you, hold on, and then it doesn't spill or anything, which is so nice. I'm gonna go home now. I need to start packing because my flight is at 1 AM and I need to do the last cleanup of the living room and my room, and also pack for the boys because I'm dropping them off at my friend's house